Toyota brand has long been aligned with hybrid technology, which is why it wasn't exactly surprising when the company decided to ride out the all-electric wave by continuing to focus on its hybrid electric line. It's a move that's paid off for the Japanese automaker, as hybrid electric and plug-in hybrid sales in the US combined to hit a record high in the third quarter of 2024, exceeding 12% of total light-duty vehicle sales. Meanwhile, global sales hit their own records, and with it has come something of an inventory problem for Toyota. Reuters is reporting that Toyota's hybrid models are in such high demand that parts shortages have led to months-long delays, or worse. One buyer in India is said to have submitted his order for the regionally available Toyota Innova Hi-Cross SUV in January of 2023. After many delays, he was again told last month the vehicle would take months longer to arrive. The customer reportedly moved on. At issue, according to Reuters, are bottlenecks in Toyota's hybrid vehicle supply chain. They say a shortage of magnets supplied by Toyota's Aisin Corp component manufacturer has triggered a hybrid motor delay. Not to mention, inverters supplied by Denso, a manufacturer of which Toyota is the partial owner, are reportedly being impacted by bottlenecks at its own Tier 2 and 3 suppliers. And while the example in India is perhaps an outlier, CarScoop says generally 2 to 9 months is the typical wait time there. In Japan, they say Toyota hybrids take 2 to 5 months to get, and in Europe, wait times have doubled since 2020 to an average of 60 or 70 days. Toyota has downplayed the claim that it is struggling to keep up with demand, saying that despite hybrid sales being up significantly in all regions, the production capacity for hybrid parts and components from its suppliers and its in-house parts manufacturing is in line with its annual production plans and vehicle assembly capacity. According to CarScoop's, one change may at least ease the supply crunch for US buyers. Toyota says it's expanding operations in a North Carolina plant and will begin shipping more batteries there this month, set to be used in its range of electrified vehicles. I'm Anna Wells, and this is Manufacturing Now.